Welcome to Costa Rica. For our first stop on this 4-part tour with Costa Rica experts, we visited Finca Rosa Blanca Coffee Plantation and Inn. Nestled in the Santa Barbara hillside on a sprawling farm and coffee plantation, this charming villa was once the home of the original farm owners, which has been converted into the inn. The guest rooms are decorated with local artwork, festive murals depicting Costa Rican culture, and they offer perfect balcony views of the farm and hillside. After settling in, it was time for a tour of the farm and a coffee tasting with our eco-guide and coffee expert, Ulysses.
This is a very small plantation. It's a small plantation compared with the other plantations that you find in Costa Rica. This is approximately 42 acres plantation. What makes the difference, well, let's say, between the other plantations would be that it's organic completely. It's an organic and shade-grown coffee.
So the Arabica is an species of coffee. In the world, we're going to find more than 12 species. However, only 2 species are the most important, we can say, economically, the one with the highest demand, Arabica and Robusta. Arabica is approximately the 70% of the coffee world's production. Robusta, the 25% of the coffee world's production.
When you plant the banana plants, how big or small is it?
We don't take the plant, small plants or big plants. What we take is just part of the root. As I mentioned, since they're kind of a rhizome, so what you need to take is one part of the root. Maybe with a baby is even better. With a baby could be this big, could be this big, could be this big, okay? But however, what we want is the root.
Something I love about Costa Rica, even more than its tropical beauty, is its leadership in eco-friendly and self-sustaining practices. Ulysses explained to us how on a self-sustaining farm like this one, during the dry season, they'll take the bark off banana plants and place them on the roots of other plants to water them and keep the soil moist. He also showed us just how much water a banana plant can actually hold.
Wow.
Okay, a lot of water inside this little part of the plant, okay?
After the tour, it was time for my favorite part, coffee tasting. Ulysses taught us how to notice the subtle notes, hints, and flavors of various coffee beans. We also learned that if you hold your nose while trying cinnamon, you won't taste anything, because it's a scent and not a flavor.
That's crazy.
I know.
Like instant.
That's a great example.
Such a perfect first day in Costa Rica could only be topped by one thing: a private culinary experience in the kitchen with Chef Ruben Villegas. I couldn't begin to remember or try and name all the various dishes served, but every plate was a work of art using many natural ingredients grown right on the farm that left our taste buds in ecstasy. Day 1 in Costa Rica was relatively relaxing. A slow-paced day on the farm capped off with coffee tasting and an amazing dinner. But this was only the beginning. Days 2 and 3 were about to get far more adventurous and adrenaline pumping on the Pacuare River. Stick around.